Dad's working too. He makes music for TV shows in his studio in our house. Today he's writing music for an animated Bible story.
Mustn't take that road. Hey! Hey! Sir! Stop! Don't go that way!
Why?
It is dangerous, especially at night.
He uses computers to compose music that sounds like a whole orchestra's playing. Grandpa's a musician too. Maybe you can guess what he plays. He practices on a computer. To actually play, he has to go to a church with half a dozen other people. Last clue. He and his friends are called ringers. Did you guess that they play church bells? Huge bells hang in the church tower, and ringers pull the ropes to make the bells chime in different patterns. Handbells are smaller, but the idea is the same.